Hello, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be doing a walkthrough of the Divine Feminine Oracle. This deck was gifted to me, and I love it very much. It's one that it's not just goddesses, but I do use it with my other goddess decks. I put it in that category, and I like to compare the imagery. I haven't seen very many. I know I have seen at least one walkthrough of this, but I haven't seen very many, and so I'm gonna do a walkthrough of every deck that I own. So here it is. It's by Megan Watterson. It comes in this beautiful box. Publisher, I don't know who the publisher is. I want to say it might be Hay House, but I'm not sure. I'll look in the little booklet here. This is the inside. It's Cosmic Egg, which looks like also a vagina. So yeah, Hay House. Very thick, nice. I mean, like this one's not so much of a, you're not gonna get this like a yes or no kind of divination oracle. This is not what this is. It's kind of like you would use for meditation, you would use for deep thinking, you would use for setting intentions. I personally use this for like which goddess should I work with this moon cycle, or during this Sabbath, what should I keep in mind, or whatever. Just like a broad, I always do one card at a time. I just feel like that's the best way to use this deck. That's how I use it. So these ones are a little bit in alphabetical order because I was comparing them with my other goddesses. I really am into that right now, is comparing different representations of the same deity or personification, or anthropomorph. You know, when you make an animal. My words are not good at the end of the day. So let's begin. So Su Shuangving, the mystic of peace. And then what I really like is that she tells you the story behind each person's life, if you're not very familiar. Teresa de Avila, Our Lady of the Interior Life. Then we have Thecla. Yep, Thecla, the prophetess of true power. Really beautiful. These are very like light, and like there's a lot of light. It's not like light as in it has deep philosophical tones, but the images are really light and rich and powerful. So the Black Madonna, Our Lady of Hermits. Vajrayogini, the essence of all Buddhas. Sorry. And it has a little quote on the bottom too. I have the power to make each moment sacred. Everything is material for my liberation. And it helps you like think about this goddess or this divine feminine and her message. Yeshi Sogyal, Lady of the Lotus Born. This is a very diverse deck. Some people are going to think it's not diverse enough, but most decks I encountered are almost entirely white or European people. So it's really, really nice to have all different cultures and colors and representation. St. Bridget, Our Lady of the Exalted Light, which is different. There's also Bridget. Sarah La Kali, Queen of the Outsiders. Look at her. She is so beautiful. Rita of Caskia, the patroness of impossible causes. Sappho, the poetess. Sarada Devi, the Divine Mother. Pope Joan, the Pontiff of Possibilities. Queen Esther, the Morning Star. And I was raised Christian / Catholic, and so like I do love Queen Esther. And I love the representation. She's beautiful. Rabia, the Queen of Saintly Women. Shekinah, the presence of the divine feminine. Perpetua, the saint of authenticity. Our Lady of Guadalupe, the empress of protection. Isn't she beautiful? So beautiful. Mirabai, the saint of true freedom. Maibago. So if I'm mixing up these words, I am really sorry, but I'm doing the best I can. The warrior saint. Machig Labdron, the diamond-hearted Dakini. Oops, sorry. Mao Shan, the Princess of Mercy. She is so beautiful. Marguerite Porret, the mystic of divine love. Lolita, the red goddess. Again, super beautiful. So vibrant. Khadijah, the mother of believers. Joan of Arc, the warrior of light. Very nice representation. Laya, the saint of spoken words. Dakini, the enlightened feminine. The cosmic egg. Inanna, the queen of heaven and earth. Beautiful. Ariadne, the mistress of the labyrinth. Enheduanna, the high priestess. Catherine Labour, the patroness of miraculous healing. Amaterasu, the goddess of light. I know a mythology about her. She's the goddess of the sun. And I don't know what made her mad or whatever. She went into a cave and they put a mirror in front of the cave and they lured her out. And she was just like enamored of her own reflection. It's really... There's a better telling of it. I'm not doing it justice. Anandamayi Ma, the joy-permeated mother. Fatima, the mother of imams. Akhilanda, the goddess of never not broken. Bridget, the goddess of the eternal frame. Also very beautiful. I feel like her hair is alive. Diana, the queen of the wilderness. Freya, the goddess of discernment. She looks very Norse to me, which I think is really cool. Green Terra, the Buddha of enlightened action. Hestia, the goddess of sanctuary. And what I like about this and a couple other cards is that she is an older woman. And she's beautiful. Isis, the goddess of magic. Kali, the mother of the universe. She's got some piercing eyes. Kuan Yin, the goddess of compassion. Lakshmi, the goddess of abundance. Lilith, the first woman. Mary Magdalene, the apostle to the apostles. So beautiful. Mary of Nazareth, the mother of God. Hail Mary, full of grace. So beautiful. Parvati, Parvati, the goddess of devotion. This is really pretty. Absolutely luscious representation. Saraswati, the goddess of self-knowledge. Another beautiful. Sekhmet, the red lady. White buffalo calf woman. She is a beauty. Look at like the light and just like she looks like a vision in the desert. I don't know. She's so pretty. And Nemoja, the goddess of all that flows. So beautiful. I love the light, the ocean. She's really, really beautiful goddess. So as you can tell, I absolutely love the art, and I love the diversity. I love not only the diversity in the appearance, but also the diversity of face, backgrounds. Everything was very well done. There's a couple of books that also by this same person, Megan Watterson. I haven't had a chance to read yet. I'm working through my books, but just amazing. Love it very much. I'm also looking for more goddess type oracles, divine feminine. I'm looking at one right now. It's like 50 Leading Ladies, I think it's called. I'm gonna have to see some more images of it though, because I'm kind of feeling like it's a little bit cartoony, but I really like their choices of leading ladies, so I'm torn. So if you know a goddess deck or a divine feminine deck that I don't have, or that you particularly love, put it in the comments. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.